Hello everyone, this is Ranjani with Ranjani Ravi Realty, and today we are going to talk about walkthrough and why it should be done and why it's so important. So walkthroughs have to be done 3 to 4 days prior to closing, and final walkthroughs aren't home inspections. That's super important to understand. They are not a time to begin negotiations with the seller or to do repairs or add a contingency to the sale. The main purpose of a final walkthrough is to make sure that the property is in the same condition which you agreed to buy when you first signed the contract, and including agreed upon repairs that were supposed to be made as part of the inspection contingency and so on, and nothing has gone wrong since the first time you looked at it. So there are some things that I can tell you that you can check during a walkthrough. Make sure you turn on and off every light fixture. Make sure you run the water and check that there are no leaks that are under the sink or anything that you can see. Check the garage doors, flush the toilets, inspect the ceilings, run the garbage disposal and exhaust fan. Test all the heating and cooling and open and close all the windows to make sure they are working, and make sure that the home is in a move-in ready condition with no debris and all of that. So as I said, definitely never skip the walkthrough, because you want to make sure there's not any new surprises that you weren't aware of or anything that is not working, which you don't want to find that after closing once the home is yours and you're coming to get the keys. So this should be done before you sign all your documents and wire the down payment, and make sure you bring it to your agent's attention if anything is of concern before the closing. So I hope this was helpful, and if you need any more tips, watch out in this space and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.